In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show row numbers in Asana. This is a handy feature, especially if you're managing large projects, as it makes keeping track of tasks so much easier. So, let's dive right in and get those row numbers displayed in your Asana interface. To start, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Asana account. Once you're comfortably inside your workspace, direct your gaze towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see your profile picture or initials, depending on your account setup. Go ahead and click on that. This will open up a little menu with various options, and you'll want to look for settings in this list. Clicking on settings will take you to a new window where you'll find several tabs at the top. Among these tabs, you'll see one labeled Display. Go ahead and click on the Display tab, as this is where you can customize how information is shown to you within Asana. Now, scroll down towards the bottom of this section until you come across a checklist labeled as Advanced Options. This section contains several features aimed at optimizing your viewing experience, and the option we are interested in is conveniently located here. You should see a checkbox labeled Show Row Numbers. This is the feature that, once enabled, will add a numerical count to your task rows, making them easier to manage and reference. Simply click on the checkbox to activate this feature. Once checked, you should immediately see row numbers appear in your task lists across your projects. And just like that, you're all set. You now have row numbers displayed in Asana, providing a clearer and more organized overview of your task lists. This small adjustment can significantly enhance your workflow, making task tracking, especially in larger projects, much smoother and more efficient. Remember, having a structured view can save time and reduce errors. It can also be incredibly handy when referencing tasks during team meetings or project reviews. Every little step towards better organization can help boost your productivity, and with Asana's capabilities, the potential is endless. If you ever need to revert this change or explore other display settings that might better suit your work style, just follow these steps again and adjust as needed. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful for optimizing your Asana experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and happy organizing.